Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain what profile management in Salesforce Marketing Cloud and how it's helped you to manage subscriber information effectively. So, profile management in Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the process of storing and managing information about your subscribers. Every subscriber in Marketing Cloud has certain details like their first name, last name, email address, location, or any other data you choose to collect. These details are stored as profile attribute. So profile attribute describe who's your subscriber are. For example, first name, country, gender, date of birth. So this attribute allow you to personalize your emails using personalization string or AMP script. So let's start like where we can find profile management. So for that, just log in into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud sandbox. Just navigate to Email Studio. Inside the Email Studio, just click on Subscriber drop-down, and here you can find Profile Management. Profile management is important because it's help you to create a relevant and personalized communication. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, you can segment your audience and tailor your content based on their profile data. In short, the profile management is where all your subscriber information lives in Salesforce Marketing. It's a foundation for personalization, segmentation, and meaningful engagement with your audience. So now we're just creating a new attribute in profile management. So once you click on create, they'll ask you for field name. So you can enter, you can create date of birth. Now click on data tab. Here we have only three data types in profile management, which are text, date, and numeric. Based on your requirement, you can use. If you select date, you can set your default value as per your requirement. But yeah, we just select the date and we don't need to be set anything for now. We can just simply creating the date of birth field and just click on OK. So once you click on OK, the field is created. So whenever now you create any list, so that attribute will be available inside that list. So we can just quickly navigate to just verify that attribute is successfully created or not. Just navigate to list. It's loading. Wait 1 minute. We just quickly creating a new list. Task. Select location. I'm selecting H1 location. Just click on save. It will take a bit time. Yeah. Now list is created. Go to inside batch folder. It will load all my list. Just navigate to test. So here you can see all fields. We are just searching for our custom field. Yeah, here you can see. So by default, We can see a subscriber key field, create date, add by, and much more, which is standard, which we can't remove or we can't modify. The field which we are created is date of birth, last name, first name. These all we can manage from our end. So yeah, that's all about this video. In later video, we can more discuss about list, how we can insert a data, how we can create a record, how we can import a data inside the list. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.